In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily unhide a chat on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up WhatsApp and then tap right here to head over to chats. On WhatsApp we can hide chats in two different ways. First, we can archive it, and second, we can lock it. In both cases, the chat will be hidden from this list, and in order to unhide it, if it is archived, we just need to get into archived conversations here, just like that. Just tap on it to open it up. Here we can find all our archived chats and group conversations. To unarchive a chat, just swipe to the left and then hit unarchive. It will immediately unarchive this chat and it will move it to our main conversation list. To unhide a chat which was locked, we need just to drag a little bit down until it shows us locked chats, and then in the same way we can get into it. Keep in mind that Face ID is required to get access to locked chats. And then in the same way we can unhide a chat. To do that, swipe to the left, then hit more, and then unlock chat. After a confirmation by Face ID, chat is unlocked, and now we can easily find it here at our main chat list. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.